Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the upload failed error on Gumroad in 2026. If you're trying to upload a file or a product file and see the upload failed, that's frustrating, especially when launching a product. But don't worry, this usually is caused by file size, formats, or connection issues. So let's fix it by following these few simple steps. First thing you want to do is to check the file size. Gumroad has file size limits depending on your plan, and if your file is very large, compress it into a zip or reduce the resolutions for videos, split into multiple files if you have a large files. You can do that by downloading the WinRAR application or a video editing application where you can use it as to reduce the size of the file. You can also check the file format. Make sure your file type is supported, for example, PDF, zip, MP4, PNG, etc., and avoid corrupted files. You can also try opening the files locally first to see if they're corrupted or not. And you can also use stable internet connection. Large uploads require stronger connection. So try wired connection, restarting your router, and uploading during low traffic hours. You can switch between Wi-Fi network types by opening the settings, the Wi-Fi settings inside your computer or your mobile device, and switch between them. You can also clear the cache or use the incognito mode. You can clear the cache by clicking on the three dots in your web browser and click on delete browsing data. And from these options, you're going to select cache and click on clear now. You can also alternatively use the incognito mode by clicking on new private window to open a new private window, and you can upload from there after you log in. You can also rename the file, avoid special characters, long file names, and symbols like hashtag, percentage, or and etc. And keep it as simple. Upload fail usually happens due to file size limits, unstable internet, or browser conflicts. Optimize your files, test your connections, and try a clean browser, and your upload should work perfectly. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.